So we're here in Israel Barnall Cam number 1. Lots of stuff going on. The oldest nestling is around 57 days old. And boy, do these guys get excited when they're fed. Look at here, dragged in. I believe that's the mother. So they're very aggressive at this point because, again, they're overstimulated. They're excited to be fed. So they go nuts, you know, because there's 3 nestlings and they're competing for food and they obviously want to be fed. So their way of doing it is being aggressive and trying to be the first one to grab that prey, because the first one that grabs it gets it. Now, typically nestlings, when they're hungry, they're more aggressive. When they're not hungry, less. So it's not that nestling is going to be overly aggressive.